This is Michael Good from reapertrades.com with your daily trade recap on this unlucky day, Friday the 13th. Here we have VRMLQ, Vermilion Corp. Nice little stock. I was long overnight. I did not like the fact that it opened up with like 800 shares of volume on the opening cross, and then for the next, 40 seconds, 30 seconds, there were no trades. That's not a good sign. You need to have volume for things to continue going up. So I luckily got filled right here with the best offer, and then that was with about 175 shares, I think, and then I hit the bid here to get completely out a couple minutes later. So nice little profit on that one, holding overnight after I rebought 20 minutes before the close yesterday. Another trade in LST, well, another bunch of trades actually. So I traded it 3 times. Holy crap, and now it's breaking out to new highs. This thing's just a monster. I traded it 3 times for the breakout. Right here, when it hit a new high of the day, just like a minute out of the open, then it dropped back down. Sold. Did again here, hit a new high of the day. What I should have looked for was it breaking the previous day's high. Let's go to 2 days here. That was right about here. I did get it. I was a little slow the next time. Bought right here. Was it right here? No, I bought right here. Let's go back to the 1 day so we can actually see it better. It was actually... Yes, Joe Biden. God bless America. Okay, I actually bought here around 244, and I sold right after that. It looks like it's going straight up. It didn't go straight up. It hit 250, dropped back down 5 cents. You know, I was annoyed by the fact that I already had a couple losses on this, so I didn't have a very wide stop at all. You need to give these room to run. If it makes a new breakout, then that previous resistance now becomes support. If you just buy it there, don't use your buy point as your stop, because the stock doesn't care where the heck you bought it. Use the previous resistance, which now becomes support, as your stop, and only if it breaks back below that, sell. So if I had done that, I would have had a nice move to 265, and no, I wouldn't have gotten it to here or up to here, but that would have erased my previous losses. I actually short sold this in my Sogo account right here. As it broke below 250, it broke intraday support here, and 250 is, you know, fairly important psychological number. And that was a good trade. 5,000 shares, short at 250. It went down to 243, then bounced up, and I covered for a net $9. You say, Michael, you made $9. Is that a good trade? That's not a good trade. That's a bad trade. No, I made $9, but if the thing had actually collapsed, if there had been a number of stop losses there, then it would have gone all the way down to probably 220, 210 in a matter of a minute or two. There weren't, so I got out, and it was a very low risk trade. So that was actually better than my buys on this stock, even though the stock ended up going up later in the day. And I almost bought here at 290 when it broke the earlier high of the day and it was showing some nice volume here. Or you could have bought right here, or just bought after it failed to break below 243 and then stayed solidly above 250 with some big bids. So plenty of ways to play this that would have been better than mine. IMGG, I really messed this up. Bought it at 164 for the bounce. Where was it? Right here. Went all the way up to 174. Then I was trying to hit the bid at 173 to get out with my 1,000 shares, nice $90 profit. The thing dropped like a rock. I lowered my price. I got out with 0. You really need to sell into strength on OTC stocks. You can't wait for it to stop going up. So here's my trades for the day. And that's it. Thanks very much. Have a great weekend. Check me out next time, reapertrades.com.